Are you tired of sifting through endless search results that don't really answer your question? What if I told you that the future of search engines might already be here, and it's not made by Google? It's built by OpenAI, and it's called GPT-5. Welcome to TechBite, your go-to source for the latest in AI news, tech trends, and future innovations. In today's video, we're diving into a potentially game-changing development in artificial intelligence, OpenAI's GPT-5, and asking a provocative question. Could this be the beginning of the end for Google search as we know it? GPT-5 isn't just another AI upgrade. It's a next-gen language model that might transform how we find and interact with information online. From smarter responses to real-time assistance, GPT-5 could shift us from search engines to answer engines. So let's break down how this works, why it matters, and what it means for the future of digital search. Let's face it, traditional search engines are showing their age. You search for something and boom, you're hit with a wall of blue links. Some are relevant, most are optimized for SEO, and nearly all are laced with ads. Google, Bing, Yahoo. They all work by matching keywords, not understanding intent. That's a huge difference. Say you type, "Why is my phone battery draining fast?" A standard search engine might give you pages optimized around keywords like battery or draining, but not necessarily answers tailored to your phone model, usage patterns, or app history. And when it comes to complex questions, forget about it. Searching for nuanced or multi-layered queries usually leads to blog spam, outdated forums, or clickbait content. The user experience? Frustrating. And here's a fact that might surprise you. Over 15% of Google searches every day are completely new. That's millions of queries the algorithm has never seen before, and it struggles with them. Add to that the growing distrust in search engine neutrality, concerns over ad prioritization, and SEO manipulation. And it becomes clear, we need something better. That's where GPT-5 enters the picture. Developed by OpenAI, GPT-5 is the successor to GPT-4, the same model that powers ChatGPT. But GPT-5 takes things several steps further. It's trained on an even more massive data set. It's more contextually aware, and it's beginning to mimic human reasoning in surprisingly advanced ways. Unlike traditional search engines, GPT-5 doesn't rely on indexing websites. It synthesizes knowledge from billions of data points, forming coherent, human-like responses in real time. So instead of showing you where to find the answer, GPT-5 gives you the answer. That's a big shift. From search engine to answer engine. And here's the kicker. GPT-5 isn't limited to predefined rules. It can generate insights, follow up on context, and even offer personalized recommendations based on your previous interactions. Imagine typing in, "Plan a 5-day trip to Japan for under $1,000, focused on food and culture." Traditional search engines will give you blog posts and travel ads. GPT-5, it can actually draft a personalized itinerary, considering your budget, preferences, and even local events. Let's break down the core innovations that make GPT-5 radically different. Contextual understanding. GPT-5 doesn't just analyze the keywords in your query. It understands the intent behind them. You can ask follow-up questions, and it remembers the previous context. It's like having a conversation, not just running searches. Multimodal input. GPT-5 is expected to process more than just text. We're talking about images, videos, and possibly voice in real time. That means you could eventually show the AI what you're looking for instead of just describing it. Autonomous AI agents, another major breakthrough. GPT-5 can power AI agents. These autonomous digital assistants don't just respond, they act. They can browse the web, fill out forms, schedule appointments, or even generate content across platforms. Faster learning and personalization. The more you interact with GPT-5, the better it understands you. It adapts its style, depth, and tone based on your behavior, just like a human assistant would. Real-time updating. Unlike previous models, GPT-5 is designed to work with real-time data through plugins and integrations. That means it's not locked into a static knowledge base. It can browse, verify, and learn on the go. Let's look at a real-world scenario. Meet Sarah, a freelance digital marketer. She needs help launching a campaign for a small eco-friendly skincare brand. Traditionally, she'd have to search for market trends, browse for SEO tools, read dozens of blog posts, use multiple platforms for content, design, and scheduling. But with GPT-5, she asks a single question. Help me create a digital marketing strategy for a sustainable skincare brand targeting Gen Z. GPT-5 responds with a full campaign outline, suggested AI tools like Midjourney for creative visuals, SEO strategies using trending keywords like clean beauty and vegan skincare, a posting schedule, even copy for Instagram and email marketing. Sarah just saved hours of research and planning, with better data-informed results. This is what AI agents, powered by GPT-5, can do. It's not just generative AI, it's executive AI, and GPT-5 doesn't live in a vacuum. It's part of a larger AI ecosystem that includes tools like Midjourney for AI-generated imagery AI, agents like AutoGPT for automated workflows, best AI tools for productivity, content, SEO, and even video generation. With seamless integration, you'll soon be able to search, generate, design, and deploy, all in one conversation. This is where GPT-5 becomes more than a search tool. It becomes your co-pilot in the digital world. So, what does this mean for Google and the future of SEO? Let's be honest, Google is watching. With tools like Bard and Gemini, it's clear they're trying to catch up to OpenAI. But GPT-5 could force a complete rethinking of how search engines work. If users can get instant, accurate, and tailored responses from GPT-5, why wade through ads, links, and outdated forums? This has huge implications for digital marketing. Strategies, content creators, SEO professionals, ad-based revenue models. In a GPT-5-powered world, search optimization becomes conversation optimization. The best AI tools won't just help you rank, they'll help you engage. And this raises a bigger question. Are we on the path to AGI, artificial general intelligence? GPT-5 isn't AGI yet, but its understanding of context, reasoning, and autonomy puts us on the doorstep. AGI is the point where AI can learn and perform any intellectual task a human can. If GPT-5 is any indication, that future is approaching faster than expected. Search engines are outdated and often inefficient. GPT-5 offers a new model, personalized, intuitive, and interactive. It's part of a wider ecosystem of generative AI, agents, and tools. It has the potential to disrupt how we search, learn, and work online, and it could reshape the entire digital landscape from marketing to education to entertainment. This isn't science fiction. This is AI news happening now. The question isn't if GPT-5 will change search, it's how soon. If you're excited about the future of AI, search engines, and digital tools, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Byte, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think GPT-5 will replace Google search? Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the future, one byte at a time.